You're my baby. I love you. Ouch! Right in the head. Right in the head. Alright folks, what you're gonna see now is a demonstration of a guard bird. That's right, a guard bird.
And the people. You alright? You alright?
I got it! Oh, he's got me! He's got my neck! He's got my neck!
He's got your neck.
Hey everybody, homie's closet, sitting in there, guards the place.
Are you a good boy? You're a very good boy. Good boy. Nice meet.
What are you doing there? Hey! What are you doing, boy? What are you doing, boy? Are you doing something there? Oh shit. Shit's on me. Kick your ass over there. Look at
Get him.
Gotcha. I'll do it. What are you doing, boy? I'm coming to get you. Ow. No. Right here. You're just gonna stand there, you're not gonna help me!
That's just playing. Come on,
man. He won that time. Oh hey, homie, how you doing? Wait, are you going up in the closet? What are you doing in there? You're a good boy, you know. Hey, don't attack me, man! Well, I was just coming to say hello.
Comfort you, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's alright, man.
I just wanted to say hello. I just wanted to say hi, man.